Hello, this is Ivaylov team, and today we make a short video about our new automatic decoder HU66 generation 1. This one we use for VAC group doors until 2002-2003, and most of all we use it for the ignition locks until 2015-2016. We will start with the reset of the tool. Inside we have the decoder with the serial number and the patent number, and also we have the reset tool. So here we have the tension wheel. After this we have the gate. It goes front and back. And after this, we have the back wheel. With the new generation of our tools, we have little difference with of this tool of working. So you see that we have one line here, and we have two lines here. So when we start to open, first we need to turn the wheel only to the Mark II, and we do it like 10 times. And if it don't open, sometimes it open like this. If it don't open from the 8-10 time, we proceed to the end after this, and it must open very quickly. But first, reset. The gate before reset must be closed, and the back wheel must be all the way right. Now we start resetting procedure. We have 4 pins in this side, like this. We push them all the way, and 4 in this side. Like this. We open and check them visually. Their little pops out. This is normal. So we close the gate, turn again the back wheel all the way right, and we start opening procedure. With the ignition, the tension we give is only right, because the lock is working only right. We need to check which is the correct position. If this gate pops out like this, this is the wrong position, and if it's like this, this is right position. Before we open, the most important thing is to open the gate. Only like this the tool is in working mode. After this, we give a tension, medium to high tension we need, and we go to Mark II couple of times. Like this. And if it don't open to the 10th time, for example, we go all the way to Mark I. After we go to Mark I, we need a little more tension here, and the lock is open. So we turn the back wheel left, we jiggle it like this so the combination can imprint better, close the gate, return this in starting position all the way right, extract the tool, and after that we can check our combination. You see the pins, and you see the 4 lines here, 1, 2, 3, and the last is 4. We see which pin corresponds with which line, and that's how we know the combination. So enjoy, see you soon.